Look at a football. Those black and white patches are pentagons and hexagons. These are polygons. Today we learn their properties and how to find their angle sums. A polygon is a closed flat shape with straight sides. A triangle has 3 sides, a square 4, a pentagon 5, a hexagon 6. The number of sides gives the polygon its name. To find the sum of interior angles, pick one vertex and draw diagonals. A pentagon splits into 3 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees, so the formula is n-2 times 180. In a regular polygon, all sides and angles are equal. To find each interior angle, divide the angle sum by the number of sides. For a regular hexagon, that gives 120 degrees each. Example 1. Find the sum of interior angles of an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides, so n equals 8. We substitute into our formula, n-2 times 180. Eight minus 2 gives 6. 6 times 180 equals 1080 degrees. That is the sum of all interior angles in an octagon. Example 2. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 140 degrees. How many sides does it have? We set up the equation, n-2 times 180 divided by n equals 140. Multiply both sides by n. Expand to get 180n minus 360 equals 140n. Subtract and solve, n equals 9. It is a nonagon, 9 sides. Common mistake. Students use n-2 times 180 for exterior angles. Wrong. The sum of exterior angles of any convex polygon is always 360 degrees. Do not confuse interior with exterior. Remember, interior angle sum is n-2 times 180. Each angle in a regular polygon, divide by n. Exterior angles always sum to 360. Memory aid, in the interior subtract 2 and multiply. Outside, it is always 360. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and never miss a video. See you next time.